Hi guys, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel. So today I came back with Flipkart haul part 2, and if you still haven't watched my Flipkart haul part 1, then you can get the link in my description box and can check it out. Okay, let's get back into the topic. As I've already said that I bought each and everything at a super duper discount. So don't forget to check out my description box because I have linked down all of my products over there. And today I'll share my reviews on my part 2 collection and all the crazy discounts I have grabbed on each item. So without doing further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first one is a white trouser from Gap, and it's a slim fit and cotton blend trouser. The stretch is superb. Okay, I'll show you. And although it's look like a formal one, but if you love to experiment with the look as I do, then you can pair it up with an oversized t-shirt or with a casual shirt. And just to make this look more casual and easy breezy, add a pair of flats, and that's it. I like this look very much. Okay, I got this at 525 while its actual price is 3499, so I saved a lot, 2974. This is a shirt dress from Forever 21. Its actual price is 1899, but I paid only 270 for this one. It's a red and black checkered shirt with mid-thigh length or above knee length. And the fabric is polyester, so I found this quite comfortable. You can wear this one in a number of ways. You can style this one with a pair of ballerinas or sneakers, or just left it unbuttoned and pair it up with a tank top and with a pair of skinny jeans and add pair of flats. That's all. You are going to look pretty cool. This is a pullover from Forever 21. It has a round neck, and you can see that this red and black checkered print is looking pretty nice. And this super comfortable pullover can become your go-to casual item in this winter. You can trim this one with jacket and slim jeans or with joggers when you are going out with your friends. And I got this cozy one at just 499 while its actual price is 1999. So this is the next one, and this one is also from Forever 21, and I got this at just 262 while the actual price is 1049, so I saved 787 on this item. Hey guys, right now I'm going to confess a funny thing, and that is I found this one in men's clothing section. Yeah, actually I love to play a lot with my styles, so sometimes I grab clothes from men's section too, and I'm obsessed with oversized shirts and t-shirts. That's why. But as you can see that this one is looking like a perfect t-shirt dress with mid-thigh length, and this kind of ripped clothes are my most favorites because I find these clothes so cool and stylish. You can also style this one with dark shaded denims and canvas shoes. This fit and flare dress is from Gap, and this color is my most favorite since my childhood. I have always been obsessed with this color. Okay, it's a knee-length dress and made from cotton rayon blend, so absolutely comfortable to wear. And it has a nice V-cut at your back side with a pair of ties. I love to style this one just by layering a denim jacket over it. Guys, I got this at just 503 while its actual price is 3499. So I grabbed a crazy discount on this pretty one. This pink top is from Pepe Jeans. I bought this only for 285 while their actual price is 1899, so I saved 1614 on this item. It has a round neck and these butterfly sleeves are so cute. It has tiny laser cuts all over it, and the color is beautiful and fabric is cotton blend, so it's quite comfortable. Simply style this one with a pair of dark shaded jeans and you're ready to go. Guys, now I'm going to show you my pretty collection of lip colors. Okay, these lip colors are from Lakme Absolute and they are called matte lip colors. And the first shade is Peach Rose, and this color is beautiful. I love this every kind of nude shade, and although it's matte but doesn't dry your lips, and I'll show you the exact color. And it's really long lasting, and I found this shade perfect for medium to fair skin tone. I got this at 225 and their actual price is 750. Another shade is Pink Silk, and this color is also very beautiful. I'll show you. And if you love your no makeup look, then you're going to love both of these shades. Okay, I'll show you the exact color. Just see how pretty is this color. Beautiful. My third lip color is this Alice plus Olivia Shine Compulsion lipstick from Maybelline New York. Actually, it's a special collab edition from Maybelline, and it's a red one and comes with a beautiful shimmery shine. I'll show you, and nicely hydrates your lips. Just look at it. The shine is beautiful and very beautiful color, and the packaging is so pretty, guys. Just look at it. Okay, its actual price is 750 and I got this at 225. My next lip color is from Rimmel London, and it's an excellent high shine lip gloss from Rimmel. It lasts really long and enriched with vitamin E and argan oil, so it amazingly keeps your lips hydrated and gives a shimmery finish. I'll show you, and you can even apply it on a dark shade to create a gorgeous look. Okay, I'll show you the just look at it, guys. How beautiful is this? How pretty is this color? I totally love this one. Okay, this is my fifth one from L'Oreal Paris. It's called Les Chocolates, and the shade is 862 Volaptu Choco, and it's an ultra matte liquid lip color, and it smells like a real chocolate, guys, I'm telling you. and this is matte brown, and it's nicely pigmented. It gives a nice pigmentation. I'll show you right now. Just look at it, guys. How beautifully pigmented this one. And okay, its actual price is $7.99, but I paid only $2.99 for this pretty one. And this is my most favorite from L'Oreal Paris, and this one is from Sabyasachi collection. The shade is 202 Maple Mocha. This lip color gives a gorgeous velvety finish, and as it contains jojoba oil, so it keeps your lips well hydrated for a long time, and it has a smooth and silky creamy texture, you know. So I love this color, and I'll show you the exact color. As you can see, the color is very nice, beautiful, and yeah, I love this color very much. And their price is $7.50, but I bought it for $337. Okay guys, that's all I have for today, and I have linked down all of my products in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And I'll come back soon with part 3, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, also share, and keep coming back to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.